dedicate this victory to my heroes, the IDF soldiers that protected my country. And to my top staff, but thanks to the IDF soldiers that protected me, my family, and the whole Israeli people, I can achieve my dream. I can go and train. Everybody in Israel called to and live their life because of those who sacrificed their all. So thank you, and Israel, and all the free powers. Fuck you!